Hello, and once again, welcome to Sagitech YouTube channel. Today, we are here to do this simple 2D drawing to continue with our lessons. Now, as I already told you, whenever a drawing is given to you, you have to make sure that you understand the drawing. Okay, when you're able to understand the drawing very well, drawing becomes very easy. Or whenever you are designing something and you have your measurements in place, drawing becomes very easy. Now let's try and analyze this thing and then we draw. Okay, so this is what is given to us. You can see from my view, I can see this is something like a rectangle. Okay, it has a total length of here 100, and all the dimensions are in millimeters, just bear in mind. So the total dimension or the total length from here to this side is what, 100 mm, and then the height of this thing is 80. Half of it is 40, meaning here to be 40. All right, we have a chamfered side here, and this chamfered side, the length from this side to this side is 10, and the length from here to here is also 10. Now we have 4 circles, and these 4 circles, the diameter of each is 10. Okay, and we have an arc here. The radius of these 4 arcs, each of them is having a radius of 10. So basically that's what we are having, and the distance from this line to the center of this circle is 15 mm. Okay, distance from here to here is also 15. So once we've gotten the understanding of the drawing, let's start our AutoCAD and then start drawing. All right, so here, this is the interface of my AutoCAD. So I'll select line. Now we know the length of a 10 is 100, so you click, you track, then you type in 100 mm. Now it's very small, so you can zoom. Okay, so we have this, and now the height is 80, so you type in 80 and you enter. When it's too big, you can zoom down, then you bring it down here and track from the end of this. You can also enter the 80 and the 100 again, but you just want to make the work simple, so you track. That is from the end point of this, okay, where they will meet. You click, and then here too you click. All right, so you press escape to exit. Now you are having the rectangle, you're having this one. Okay, so let's try and draw these circles, these 4 circles. Now, as I said, the distance from the end side here to the center is 15. So what we can do is, let's start the circle command, circle, and we will start from here, but we won't click. Just put your mouse at the end point here, okay, of this, and then track it to the right side. Enter 15. Don't click, enter 15. Or if you like, you can also start from this side. So let's start a circle command again. Start from this side. You can draw a line, whichever way. There are so many ways of doing it. You can decide to draw a line, or you can decide to start with a circle. So let me start with the line first, so that it will be easier for some of you. So when you start the line command, you click here, that is the end point of this rectangle. You click, then you come down, or you can even forget, you can even ignore the clicking. As I showed you, you come here, you don't click, you track the same thing. You enter 15 to bring you down 15, okay, and then you go inside 15, that is, you track to the right side 15. So now you have the center of the circle, so you can now go for the circle. This line is just a reference line. You just go for the circle, you click. Now the diameter of this circle is 10, so you just enter D. Okay, right now specify radius of circle, so which means we are talking about radius right now. but we need diameter. So if you need the diameter, you just press D and enter, and it will change the diameter, and then you enter 10. Okay, now you have the circle. Now you can decide to draw for all the 4 corners, but I want it easier, so I'll delete this line and then I'll mirror this circle. So I'll select the circle and I'll go to mirror. I'll look for the center and then I'll mirror. Erase source object, say no. Now I have these 2 circles. I will mirror it to the right side, this side as well. So I'll select this my 2 circles, go to mirror, then I'll mirror it to my right side. Erase source object, say no. Okay, so now we are having these 4 circles. Now what is remaining is this 4 arcs over here. So just like the way we did this one, we are in the center, so you can pick a circle. When you pick a circle, let's check the diameter or the radius. Sorry, the radius is 10. So after picking the diameter, you see it falls in between these lines, so you can track. Okay, AutoCAD gives you that option. You can track from here to the center of this, see where they will meet, and you click, and it's a radius of 10. So you just enter 10 and you have it. Okay, so once you have it, you click on line, you join from this side to this side, you click on line again, you click here, then you join, you press escape to exit. Now you can see there are some unwanted parts, so what you can do is to trim. So you can click on the trim command, and the shortcut for trim is TR. I'll bring you all the shortcuts. You press enter, then you click and you trim. Now you can decide to mirror this one on your right side, or you can decide to draw. So I would like to mirror, so I'll mirror. I'll go to mirror, select the center, and then it will be there. Erase source object, say no. Okay, now let's try and do the same thing at the top over here. You pick a circle and you track the center of this circle and then the midpoint of the line, and then you click. You have a radius of 10, so you type in your 10. You have the circle. Go for line, join the end point, exit, press enter 2. Now whenever you click on a command, or whenever you start your command, example the line, and you use it and you press on escape to exit, if you want to start that same command again, you don't need to go back there and click. You can just press enter and it will start. So you click the end and then you join. Okay, let's trim, TR for trim, then you clear this side. Okay, now let's mirror this one also as well. So we go to mirror, select the middle point. All right, erase source object, say no. Now let's trim these 2, TR for trim, press enter. I'll trim here, I'll trim here. Okay, now the only thing that is remaining is the chamfer, and the distance here 10, distance here 10. Okay, so let's go and chamfer the corners or the edges. So to do that, just go to the modify tools and select chamfer. Now when you select chamfer, we are dealing with distance, so you click on distance. When you click on distance, it will say specify first chamfer distance, and our first chamfer distance is 10. So we type in 10, enter. Specify second chamfer distance is also 10, so it's already there, so you just press enter. Now it says select first line, so you select here this one and this one. Okay, you press enter again, select first line, this this, press enter again. Now you see we are going to do 4 times, so you can just click multiple. When you click multiple, it will just repeat itself. You don't need to always click this one, click this one, and after you are done, you press escape. Now this is what was required of us, and we have successfully achieved. If you want to increase the line thickness, just come here. Now if your line width is not showing, go to customization, and then you look for it over here. I think mine is here. See, it's ticked. And when it's ticked, it will show down here. But if yours is not ticked, it will be off. So you have to click on it, and then you come here. When you activate it, it will come. Now sometimes when you click on customization and you click on the line width and you come and click on it here, you see, because I have set my line width to a certain thickness, that's why it's showing. If yours is not showing, right click on the line width and then go to line width settings. Okay, and then you select the thickness that you want, the line thickness. They are here. By default, I have selected my own to 0.6 mm. That is why it is showing as thick as it is. So this brings us to the end of our video. If today is your first time of watching, I will plead with you that you subscribe to the channel and also you share as well. There are a whole lot of things that is going to happen. I'm going to teach a lot of basics. I just want to make sure that you know all the basics before we move on to the next level. If you have any questions, you can comment below and I'll attend to you shortly. Thank you for watching.